At 60 years old, Andy Wilkinson, an Englishman, defies common perceptions of aging through his youthful appearance and muscular physique. People often mistake him for his daughter's boyfriend. What's more interesting is that his secret isn't some magical or miraculous treatment. Instead, his approach is based on 6 simple principles that impact his health and vitality. His story goes beyond defying aging stereotypes. It's about adopting a holistic approach to overall well-being. At 60 years old, Andy Wilkinson is a prominent example of defying age with his youthful appearance. Despite being a grandfather of 7, his physical vitality often makes people mistake him for someone half his age. People always express shock when they see him, whether walking down the street or posting pictures on Instagram. It's not usual for Andy to find himself in amusing, awkward situations, like being mistaken for his daughter's romantic partner rather than her father. Such examples highlight the importance of his youthful charisma and challenge the conventional perceptions of aging. It wasn't always easy for Andy Wilkinson to get to his current state of youthful vitality. Indeed, there was a moment when he discovered that he was obese and unfit. His diagnosis of his high blood pressure and cholesterol served as a wake-up call, forcing him to reconsider his lifestyle choices. Andy set off on a life-changing exploration that would permanently change his approach, driven by his determination to recover his health. He began modestly and gradually changed his diet and training regimen. Andy started to notice improvements in his life by replacing harmful foods with wholesome ones and increasing his daily physical activity. As Andy's energy returned and the weight began to drop, he felt more and more motivated to continue on his path to well-being. His goal of becoming healthier became a better comprehension of the relationship between the body, mind, and spirit. Andy lost weight and gained renewed energy and purpose through determination and an unwavering dedication to self-improvement. His story is a potent reminder that change may happen to anyone at any age if they are prepared to work hard and welcome it completely. There is no secret about Andy Wilkinson's incredible journey of embracing vitality and resisting aging. Instead, it is based on 6 straightforward ideas that serve as the cornerstone of his philosophy of exercise and health. Even though these principles are simple, they are the key to a lifetime of health and happiness. Andy Wilkinson's steadfast dedication to maintaining calm and positivity is a fundamental component of his strategy for overcoming aging. Andy knows the significance of preserving inner peace and calm in an environment full of stressors and distractions. Andy has developed a mindset based on the belief that everything will be okay, regardless of life's decisions. He uses this short phrase as a strong anchor that enables him to handle the ups and downs of life with grace and resiliency. Andy protects himself against the damaging impacts of ongoing tension and worries by staying away from stress and negativity to take hold. Rather than giving in to anxiety, he makes the conscious decision to live in the moment. Andy lives his life with a peaceful and optimistic attitude, and it goes beyond just words. Whether dealing with stressful business deadline or a personal setback, Andy tackles every situation with composure, not allowing outside events to control his inner mind. Andy shows us by example that real strength is not a lack of difficulties, but the capacity to meet them head-on with courage. By developing a positive mentality and accepting life's unavoidable curves, we can also discover the keys to enduring energy and wellness. Andy Wilkinson is aware of the critical role that sound sleep plays in preserving a youthful appearance and robust health. He affirms that a good night's sleep is crucial for mental and physical recovery. For Andy, the first steps to a good night's sleep are straightforward, yet efficient habits. He prioritizes getting into bed before midnight and ensuring his room is entirely dark and free of electronics, including his phone. Andy creates a calm and peaceful sleeping environment to ensure that he has a good night's sleep. Getting enough sleep has several advantages beyond just helping you feeling refreshed physically. Studies indicate that getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining emotional stability, cognitive performance, and general health. Our bodies regenerate and repair themselves as we sleep, allowing for the best possible functioning the following day. By deciding that getting enough sleep is essential, Andy gives himself the ability to wake up feeling energized and prepared to face whatever obstacles the day throws. His dedication to sound sleep is proof of the transformational potential that results from self-care and supporting our body's natural rhythms. In Andy Wilkinson's pursuit of a timeless physique and lasting vitality, he considers the transformative influence of healthy eating habits, acknowledging that a fit body is 75% influenced by nutrition and only 25% by training. Andy has developed a dietary philosophy beyond mere calorie counting. Instead, he emphasizes the holistic impact of nourishing the body from within. Instead of relying on protein shakes, bars, or supplements, he realized that achieving a muscular body look rested on fundamental dietary choices. This realization led him to prioritize consuming healthy foods, practicing portion control, and reducing his carbohydrate intake. Andy's breakfast choice involves a nutrient-rich combination of a slice of seeded bread, salmon, avocado, and 2 poached eggs. For lunch, he goes for Cajun chicken with a modest serving of 3 tablespoons of rice, accompanied by broccoli or cabbage salad. As for dinner, a vital component of his dietary regimen, he goes from a slow-cooked stewed chicken, sweet corn, and vegetables to a Thai or Indian slow-cooked curry chicken with 3 tablespoons of rice. Andy maintains a disciplined yet satisfying approach to snacking, opting for a handful of almonds, an apple, or a small bar of 70% dark chocolate. In Andy Wilkinson's quest for longevity and vitality, he promotes the idea that less is indeed more in exercise. Contrary to the common belief that intense workouts and relentless training are essential for a sculpted physique, Andy champions a more balanced and sustainable approach to physical activity. The foundation of Andy's exercise routine revolves around the principle of moderation. He suggests limiting training to 3 times a week, with each session not exceeding an hour. This intentional moderation serves several purposes. It reduces the risk of injury, prevents burnout, and ensures the body has sufficient time for rest and recovery between workouts. Instead of overstating the amount of his workouts, Andy values their quality. He focuses on compound movements like bench presses, deadlifts, and squats that work simultaneously for numerous muscular groups. This deliberate technique improves strength, endurance, and general physical fitness while maximizing efficiency and producing more comprehensive outcomes. In addition to his structured gym sessions, Andy combines recreational activities such as tennis or racquetball into his routine. These leisurely pursuits offer a refreshing change of pace and add to his overall enjoyment of physical activity. Andy encourages individuals to listen to their bodies, prioritize recovery, and find joy in movement. In doing so, he defies the stereotypes associated with aging and sets a compelling example of achieving and maintaining optimal health and fitness at any stage of life. Andy Wilkinson strongly believes that muscles form the cornerstone of youth. He underscores the significance of strength training not only for physical vigor, but also for overall vitality. Through consistent engagement in strength training exercises, Andy strengthens his muscles, bones, and connective tissues, acting as a defense against age-related decline and promoting longevity. For Andy, strength training offers benefits that go beyond appearances. Although developing a toned body is a desired result, its actual worth is in its practical advantages. Well-built muscles help maintain good posture, enhance balance and coordination, and lower the chance of injury. Because of this, Andy can continue to lead an independent and busy life far into his golden years. Furthermore, Andy recognizes that having a solid core is essential to general wellness. Strong core muscles help to maintain proper posture, stabilize the spine, and encourage effective movement patterns. By prioritizing workouts that target the core muscles, such as planks, bridges, and rotational motions, Andy strengthens the foundation of his body and ensures optimal function while preventing the consequences of aging. Andy Wilkinson recognizes hydration's pivotal role in preserving physical vitality and a youthful appearance. He supports prioritizing sufficient water intake as a cornerstone of any health and fitness regimen. Andy emphasizes that water is not merely a beverage, but a vital nutrient essential for sustaining life and optimizing bodily functions. Andy believes drinking enough water is the most important thing he can do for his health. Therefore, he consciously tries to drink at least 3 liters daily. Andy stresses the importance of adequate hydration for several physiological functions, including waste elimination, nutrition, delivery, temperature regulation, and joint lubrication. Andy's body's natural detoxifying processes are supported when he drinks enough water, which helps him have bright, clear skin and feel good. Beyond water, Andy occasionally enjoys other hydrating beverages like herbal teas and quality red wine in moderation. However, he avoids excessive alcohol consumption, acknowledging its potential negative impact on hydration levels and overall health. Andy Wilkinson's remarkable journey is an inspiring testament to the transformative power of embracing a holistic approach to health and fitness. With his 6 principles of longevity, Andy challenges conventional ideas about aging and showcases that vitality transcends age limits, prioritizing calmness, restful sleep, healthy eating, balanced exercise, muscle development, and hydration. Andy has defied stereotypes, attaining a fitness and youthfulness level beyond his actual age. His story acts as a beacon of hope, motivating others to adopt a lifestyle centered on well-being, resilience, and the limitless potential of the human body and spirit. If Andy Wilkinson's journey has inspired you and sparked a newfound enthusiasm for embracing a healthier lifestyle, share this video with your friends and family. Remember to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting stories and valuable insights.